crispy Namak Para recipe. Namak Para is a popular North Indian savory snack made with flour, ajwain, and a touch of black pepper. It's crunchy, delicious, and perfect to enjoy with evening tea or to serve during festivals like Diwali and Holi. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, maida, 1 teaspoon ajwain, carom seeds, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, freshly crushed, 3/4 teaspoon salt, or to taste, 5 tablespoons oil or ghee, 1/5 cup water, or as required. Instructions. Step 1. Prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, add flour, ajwain, black pepper, and salt. Mix in the oil or ghee until the flour becomes crumbly. Slowly add water, little by little, and knead into a stiff dough. Do not overknead. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions and roll each into a ball. Step 2. Shape the Namak Para. Take 1 dough ball and roll it into a flat circle 8 to 9 inches in diameter. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut into diamond or square shapes. Place the cut pieces on a greased plate or tray. Step 3. Fry to perfection. Heat oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Test the oil with a small piece of dough. It should rise slowly without burning. Add the namak para pieces in small batches. Fry until golden brown and crisp, stirring occasionally. Remove and drain on a paper towel. Serving suggestions. Serve namak para with hot tea or coffee. Store in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Great for festive snacks, lunchbox treats, or travel food. Pro tip: for extra crispiness, always fry on medium heat. If the oil is too hot, the namak para will turn brown quickly but remain soft inside.